I'm giving up with this green screen. I don't know why it's having a hissy fit, but it's having a hissy fit. Oh well. Da da. Are we ready? Whoop. And steady. Ready and steady. Let's do this. Don't know if you guys missed this morning. It was super chaotic, but here we are. Sorry guys, I don't even know what to say with regards to the green screen. The green screen just ain't green screening recently. It's okay. Let's do this thing. I went through a few little levels, marked out some liquidity points that are of interest. And now we're gonna go for it. Okay, Midnight Magnet is indeed above. These few liquidity points. Sorry, I know it looks a little bit chaotic at the moment. Apologies. What's up? Go have fun. How are we doing? There we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I don't know what to say about this right now. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, Lucky Lefty! How you doing? What happened in the morning? Oh, so there was still a stream. We just popped onto Boom's stream because my Wi-Fi was having a heart attack and I was actually, yeah, we kind of co-streamed today. Yeah. I don't know why the green screen is hoping for some green. Yeah, I got some green. Apparently it's the green screen. Like, it's on its own mission. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so let's get this party started. Got a bunch of liquidity happening around here that I'm going to be taking extra note of. Oh shoot, I actually wanted this to go to around 11. I'm just going to be taking note of this liquidity. I'm wanting to see what happens here. And there's a previous Asia low there. Okay. I'm just watching, focusing. Go have fun. New glasses. No. Actually not. Do they look new? OTT, what's up? How are we doing? I'm trying to decide if I attempt to fix this green screen right now or not. I don't know anymore. I just don't know anymore. How's everyone doing? Are we all absolutely amazing? Are we ready? Oh, I need to update my balance, seeming as I had a little bit of a loss. Thanks, Boom, earlier. Kidding, can't blame other people for that. So we're down to 17.40. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. That's all. Just 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I'm very well aware that this looks very chaotic at the moment, but it's okay. That's not important. That's not important. That's where I want to potentially have that trade. And then we came all the way back down solidly. Okay, 9:20. We have 10 minutes to go. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. Hey, what up, Haba? Oh no, nothing happened this morning. That drop happened soon after I saw it just flipping went. So what I'm hearing is sorry, I just see something. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hammer, why did I not see your stream? Ah, you should have checked my post. So I actually kind of did a stream with Boom. Boom Banana, one of the community members, but my Wi-Fi was obviously just not having it. This light is really irritating me, but there's nothing I can do about it. Anyways, my Wi-Fi was just not having it. So yeah. Screaming IMR. So YouTube post? Yeah, so basically just hopped onto, because Boom actually also has a bit of a YouTube, so we hopped onto Boom's YouTube where, his Wi-Fi apparently functions. And we just kind of traded there a little bit. Yeah, don't worry, you didn't miss too much. But cool, now we're getting ready for New York session. It's 9:22. Slowly but surely we're gonna get there. Leaning bullish today. I agree, OTT. Why'd you get kicked on Discord? Hammer, what did you do? Why did you get kicked on Discord? Hey, Kujan, what's up? Friday and Tuesday, down it goes. Maya agrees, chat, I'm bearish. Rude. Just saying. Mighty rude. Email verification and stuff. I'm like, yeah. Oh, yeah, no, Hammer so specifically did that to try and stop all the bots and stuff. And hopefully the scammers. Yeah, so specifically actually did that for a reason. OTT? You should be. And what's up, David? I don't know if I can do what Solly is doing. What, being nice? A few days before holidays, it jumps up right before or after it drops. Okay, so let's see. OTT, are you did you take a trade during London? Sorry, we didn't get a lot of time to chit chat earlier, guys. Yeah, nice for who? I'm not gonna lie, this green screen is irritating me. Well, they let that one go right on by. They really, really did. I'm about to potentially do something dumb. Are you guys ready to try and see a bit of a magic trick? I want to try and sort out this green screen. Absolutely no clue how this is going to work out. We might see some chaos. Are you guys ready? Ready for a magic trick? Oh, I'm gonna regret this. Let me take a photo of where it's at now. So that worst case, mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. Let me get these. Whee! I'm about to create some chaos. Are you guys ready? Don't do it. Don't do what? Must I not do it? I'm gonna mess with this. I'm gonna just make a default again. Okay. See, now that looks weird. So, let's see if we can fix it. Oh. Is that better? Is that better already? Maybe I should have done this earlier. Okay. Yep. I feel like that's better. I did not turn the lights off. It's just getting a little bit darker because it's winter here. There we go. Cool. Hey, Bob, what's up? Okay, there we go. At least that's better. Now we don't have green doing weird things. I'm still doing weird things, but you guys are used to me doing weird things. Do-do-do-do. Okay. At least that's then better. We have 2 minutes to go. Sorry, trying to sort things out before having to leave places stresses me out, but it's okay. I did my daily before 8 a.m, so no trading. Nice. Hammer, that is awesome. That is awesome sauce. What's up, Bob?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, so we're nearly there. We know what that means. 1 minute to go. Right, yes, before I make a mistake again. 1 minute to go. Let's do this. Watching that price action slowly move towards that level. There was a proper close. I'm gonna be watching it like a hawk today, Bob. 18 here and no sun. Yep. See? I'm gonna absolutely flipping suffer. I'm going to suffer when I go back to Joburg and it's cold. Can guarantee you. Okay, 9 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
That was a negative 66 spread, by the way. I saw that trading view. Don't think I didn't see whatever the heck that just was. What would you like in your gravestone? You know what? Probably just we knew she was cold. Something like that. That would work, right? I'm sure that would work just fine. Hot damn. Okay. Well, bullish is now at 74 and back to neutral. Alrighty, Roo. It's a 9:30 range. Okay, let's do this. Atlanta, yeah, so I won't be here tomorrow, New York session. And I won't be here then Monday and Tuesday for both New York and London sessions, unfortunately. Well, slash fortunately. My parents are down from Uruguay, so obviously going to spend some time with them and, well, you have to spend time with them, right? So yeah, I won't be here, guys. Try not to miss me. No, I'm kidding. Solid rejection off of there. 932. Ooh, itchy eye. Okay. And now we're watching this. What do you mean? Psst? What's the psst for? Atlanta? Aw. JP, you're so sweet. Uruguay? Uruguay? South America? Yeah, by Brazil. I don't know how to prove that one to you, Atlanta. I mean, I'll pop some things in the vlog section of the shorts if you guys want proof of life, I guess. Hey Viv, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, trade addict. I mean, let's see what happens here, right? The lie was anybody missing you.
Emotional damage.
It's so mean. Okay. Who was short, your dad or mom? To be fair, they're both pretty short. I mean, it's not like my dad is super short. He's not like super tall either, if that makes sense. Wait a minute. What? I'm not short. I am very standard sized. I would say I'm pretty standard for a female. Okay, no first presented yet. Still. Okay. Still nothing. I was just a really tall dwarf. Guys, I'm literally average height. I am literally average height. Is this too dark? Do I look a little bit too dark right now? Like, is the lighting too dark or is it fine? I'm doing my best. Yeah, close to that, Hammer. 1.66 centimeters. Wow, David woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Good grief. Wrong side of the bed. Go back to bed or go to bed. One of those. Ah, okay, there we go. So it's the go to bed situation. Okay. Woo. I need to wake up. That's what has to happen here today. But the palm is in the dark. Move it to the window. I think he likes being in the dark. Come on. It's 11:36 p.m. Go to sleep. Just go to sleep. Why do you hate sleep? What is wrong with sleep? Who has taken a trade yet, by the way? Hannah, I know you're not trading, don't worry. But OTT, is Debbie here? Go make some coffee. We need some coffee up in here. Coffee time! I cannot have coffee. Oh, or else I know for a fact that I shall not sleep tonight. As it is, I had 2 cups of coffee yesterday and I struggled to fall asleep. I think I actually only went to bed at like 12:30 last night because I just could not fall asleep for the life of me. Atlanta, I haven't even turned my computers. I'm not trading until the level of 29. So, yeah, David's an Aussie. I'm being really patient. Guess patience pays, and patience is key. Gotta be patient. Gotta keep on keeping on. I can only imagine what the after effect of coffee did. You've seen me. What do you mean? Or are you talking about the crash or the caffeine spike? Which one is it? Which one are you curious about? You gotta elaborate a little bit on that one, Alana. Well, might as well make a night of it. Have a coffee. I guess I low. I'm gonna have no sleep. Look, do you see the problem is the stress is like up to here. I hate it when people. So obviously my parents will be coming here to stay with me. But we also have a dog sitter that's coming to look after Perry tomorrow night and Saturday night. Which means the place has to look clean. Which means I'm not going to sleep because tonight I'm going to be packing, making sure everything is ready, sweeping the place, making sure the place is clean. Even though it is clean, I did clean it this weekend. It's not going to be clean enough for me. Do you hear the issue going on in my brain right now? Just out of curiosity, do you see the dilemma and the overthinking that comes with being me? Fun. I caught a boat fishing with. How did you catch a boat? What's up, Multimirror? How are we doing? I think it was crazy today. You going on honeymoon? Is this a house Taylor got a group that kind of thing? I mean, it's my cousin's wedding. I don't know if that counts. Stingray took my line around the ankle. Oh, damn. Hey, Dog Angel. Hey, y'all. How are you? How's the trading been? It looks like you've been catching some really good trades recently. I want to know what to do when you can't sleep. Do you Google conspiracy theories? Now, I tend to put like a show I've binge watched like 1,000 times on and then try and fall asleep to it, like Brooklyn Nine-Nine or Friends. What else? Big Bang Theory, like those type of series, and then I just try and fall asleep to that playing in the background. That's basically it. I was nearly at the point of saying, nah, it's great, I must just get up and start doing things last night. And then I was like, no, because then I know I won't sleep. And then I will be a problem. I will be all of the problems. 1 micro is saving my bacon. That's amazing. So you're just trading one micro consistently, DJ? I love Big Bang Theory. Yeah, Big Bang Theory is amazing. What's up, Ted? How you doing? Have I ever watched the show Homeland? No. Hey, Simon. Hello. I'm asking if trading lower time frames is profitable in the long run. It could be. Anything could be profitable in the long run if you know what you're looking for and the correct strategy and the correct executions, right? Just as anything could not be profitable or unprofitable. I don't like Big Bang and I've never watched Friends. Why? I have questions. Why are you hating on Big Bang? What's wrong with Big Bang? What do you not like about Big Bang? I have so many questions right now. Don't mean to judge, but I'm curious. Damn, this nasty. This nasty. What the heck? I never watch TV ever unless a companion is forcing me to. What do you tend to do then? In your free time? Atlanta? Oh, okay, I see. We don't mean to judge, but we're all judging for real. We listen and we don't judge. Let's see here. That is amazing. Damn, these markets shopping so hard. I use them to enter my gym scanner. Oh, flip. That is amazing. No, seriously, this is bad. Why is it like this? Is there new? What is happening? I mean, we had some hectic movement during London, so maybe it just completely overextended itself during London, but this is low-key insane. This is low-key insanity, what's happening right now. CBD is really negative. If you want to short this, it's not the worst idea, but keep your position small. Travel, get in the cargo places, go swimming, take the dogs out, eat food, see things, maybe do things stuff. Breathe. There's things before TV. What about if you have no money to go and do any of those things? Just a fun thought. But most of the time I hear professional traders criticize lower time frame trading as noise. Is it a myth or what? Again, Silent Billionaire. Again, I really think it depends per person. I really think, like, I don't have the answer for that one, because there'll be lots of people on here that agree with you, and then I also know a lot of people that trade the second charts, not even the minutes, the seconds charts, and they are profitable. It's all about preference. I think it's the one thing that I find absolutely amazing, but also really frustrating. I don't even know if frustrating is the right word. I think it's amazing and intriguing. There is no right or wrong answer. There's a right and wrong answer for you as an individual. Don't get me wrong. But it's a little bit, sorry, I'm gonna like bring up gymming and things like that, because obviously it's also what I understand. It's a little bit like having a personal trainer. They can train, you can take two individuals and train them exactly the same. Exactly the same. Someone's gonna lose weight and someone's not gonna lose weight. So that one program is gonna work absolutely fantastic for that one person, and you're gonna see nothing with the other, because not one single individual is the same. You have to go according to the individual and what works for them. It's the same with the markets. London was crazy. I agree. London was crazy. Everything I mentioned really does cost that much. So now Queen is trading around support, but it's not been making higher highs and higher lows for 2 days now. Silent, go Google the hedge fund that retired on the 5-second time frame. There we go. It's all in the spirit of mentality. This New York session is starting to go crazy. I'm just gonna sit here and wait and see what we get. What am I cooking tonight? I have no idea. No, it won't be easy Nah, it probably won't be easy chicken. Will it be easy? No, maybe it will be just because you said no. You missed your calling as a therapist. Why? Why do you say that? I might be taking up break even again. No, where's OTT? Where did you enter? Did you get in on a short? I thought you were bullish. Oh, we have a first presented. Looky. It only took us 5 years to get it. Let me just mark it out. Oopsie daisies. Should have seen yourself talking to about your philosophy with your hands and all that stuff. I mean, yeah, when it's something I'm really like passionate about and things, then yeah, I can go on and on about that. And I always find it, again, it's why personally for me, I specifically find these 3 topics, there's probably more that have the same idea, but for me, these 3 are the ones that I know, and it's why I find them very interesting, and I get really passionate about it. It's training, as you heard. I took like the gym example. Training, trading, and horse riding. I don't know if you could put the training and the horse riding together, but you know, those 3 things I find very, very interesting. Specifically for the fact that not one specific thing works perfectly for every single individual. I guess that's why I find them all a bit more of a challenge. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's a bit of a challenge because each person, each creature, each trading strategy is going to have a unique, how do I put it? A unique style, and either it makes sense to you or it doesn't. Like I said, and I've said this before, the 5-minute orb and the 15-minute orb. I have watched people trade it. I've watched plenty of videos and I've watched plenty of people trade it successfully. For the life of me, I can't do it. I've tried, and sometimes I think that I understand it, and then I go, nope, actually, I have absolutely no clue what's going on. And like I said, some people watch it once and it clicks, and then they're profitable trading that and that alone, and it works for them. Awesome. Good for you. It just doesn't click in my mind. I don't know what it is. There's just something that goes, no, I don't know. What's up, Debbie? How are we doing? Level 200, moving up, above entry, it's more creative writing, making music, taking photos, painting, cooking. Yeah, see, maybe that's my thing. I'm not actually creative, which is ironic because I come from a family of artists. I am the very literal black sheep of my family. A whole family of artists, all of them. I'm just here like thought. Can you draw? I can attempt to draw a stick figure, like a stick figurine, even then it's questionable. I'm sorry, please do it for us. TP above VWAP. Okay, so Dom, you're looking for a long there. Awesome. What's funny, Atlanta? And then take my friend to the hospital. She's no longer. I don't know. That's supposed to just dropped off. Pick her back up when she needs it. Being in a building full of sick people. Partial taken. A OTT. There we go. Oh, it's OTT unit. Short, I'm confused. Sorry, I think you answered me. I just didn't see the message. OTT, what are you in? Oh, no, you didn't say. Are you in a long or short right now, OTT? Oh, thanks, Atlanta. Yeah, I have to sometimes remind myself that everyone goes at their own speed. Sitting on this liquidity zone. Cheers, bro. Oh, okay, OTT. I mean, that's just what it is. TP. TP hit! Whoop, 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 whoop! Ayo, Domin OTT! Whoop, whoop! Well done, guys. That is amazing. Proud. Now, do you think I'll be able to get something in? Oh, let's see. No idea. Bunch of relative equal highs here. Damn. Just tapped into there. Mahusive wick now forming. Tapped into the new daily opening gap as well. Although I don't know. I mean, it's kind of been respecting the new daily. I'll give it that. Let me get my confirmations first before I start just jumping headfirst into things. My FTC price dropped down into bottom level and then to reverse out of it, grab that heifer by the horns and ride it. Noted, Rolf. Noted. I'm on it. I'm on it. Gosh, my forehead looking like a 5-head today, guys. Anyways, let's do this. I know this gang of people who trade COSDs today and got cooked on yesterday. Damn, ES went for it. ES just left the building. Cheers, Rolf. Where you going, bud? There, took everything. Potential Bob's Bob incoming. Did tap into this fair value gap now. So I'm extra just chilled today. A little fly that's just landed on my desk. Okay, bye. Literally, the little fly just it's chilling now. Okay, moving on. Random. Oh my gosh, he landed on me. What is like the opposite of a Disney princess? When I have control of the insects. Is that a villain? I feel like that's a villain thing. Okay, bye. Knock knock. David, is this a who's there situation? Stock HCWB is interesting. Why? Hoe kom? Okay. Sorry, I'm still just waiting and watching to see how this looks. There's that drop I was kind of waiting for. $15-minute. $0.07. I wonder if Boom is trading or if he went to bed. Oh shame. He was like, yo, streaming is exhausting. How do you do it? I'm like, you get used to it. What was that noise? Was it the fly? ES gave me an A+ 3 times and it failed twice and third time play. So would the fail have been like a proper stop loss or would the fail have been a break even? Damn, David woke up and decided to be a witch today. Good grief. Are you good, bud? Proper stop loss twice. Damn, okay, yeah, so this has just woken up and chosen complete violence today, is what I'm getting. With this retest... I almost wanted to just go to the paper trade, flip the coin again. And I was like, don't do it, let's not flip the coin today. That's actually just a very dark joke. Oh, okay. If ES showed up first, I was going to execute that instead of RTY. I got lucky, damn. Oh, did I go grr? Maybe. No, I'm not in a trade, Atlanta. I would... Now, if I was gonna take a trade, it probably would have been from that low, so it would have been a stop loss. This is the full 50% retrace. Very good rejection off of here, so this is actually quite a nice indication that's going to go back up, but let's see if it continues all the way back up or if it's going to fail. Patience is key. Oops. Just gotta keep being patient. Oh, damn. I was gonna say, is it bad that I actually do not hate this one? Nah. Okay, it's gonna go up before it. It's gonna hit my point of interest. You know them rules. If it taps into the bob level, I'm outie. Yeah, okay, I'm outie. But I retested there. That one would have been good. Did not retest, however, so that's okay. Do not get into a trade. Your body language right now is horrific. What do you mean by that, Atlanta? Atlanta, I have so many questions. Trust I think the problem is I'm almost too relaxed right now. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe you're just used to like more energy. And I'm just super chin chill right now. You'll go back and watch later. What is it doing? I know I'm genuinely confused. What is my body language giving off? You are a nerd like that, I know you will. A nerd. Ugh. I ain't no nerd. I'm normal, I guess. Did a bigger retest. Nearly filled this fair value gap. I thought it would reject off the fair value gap. Apparently not. Cheers, Atlanta. Where's everyone going? Is everyone just calling it for the day? Why? What's up? Also, where did the time go? How is it already 10? Wild. Okay. Is everybody good? Everyone's being extra quiet, which is weird. Eddie, yes, you concern me a little bit. Cheers, Atlanta. Have a goodie. It's a very big wicks over there.
That's what she said.
It's so nice outside and I have bigger plans. You're not trading today? How weird. Why not? Also, where's Holly at? Weird for Holly to not be here. I don't know if any stocks are room volume. I guess I'm a true day trader. Who is in a trade currently? here do be in a trade right now? Where everybody at? Okay. Nice, Kujan. What's up, Kujan? How you doing? Are you gonna keep asking questions? Yeah, obviously, Nana. Texas stacking boss, what's up? Not gonna lie, if long trade shows up on NQ or ES, I'm gonna take it. Tribble, I very much have a bullish bias today, which I know scares OTT, right? Okay, Discord's having a moment. I'm not gonna be rude like I pretend to be. If you ask me a question, I'm always gonna answer it. Interesting. Like always, I can ask you anything. Oh, what's up, John? How you doing? Why did you change your name? Just for funsies? If price doesn't hold VWAP, get ready for it to hit the bubble level to the downside. Am I be ready? I mean, I won't be surprised if it hits the bubble level to the downside with how it rejected off of this one here. Like I said, I'm just sitting, waiting, and watching for my opportunity. Let's see if it presents itself. Always you're asking if you can ask me anything as if I'm some big scary monster. I mean, I could ask you like your banking details. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that. Okay. Oh, you didn't trade props. I was gonna ask you how many funded accounts you've actually blown. I will cower in fear of your questions. I could ask some weird things. I am known to be weird. Oh, nice. Okay, that's valid. How's it been going, John? Oh, sorry, Texas stacking boss. How's it been going? How has the trading been? Has it been successful? Meh. Nice. Ask some weird question. Okay, Umka, what would be a weird question for you? How's this thing lying? I've blown a proper account because I've never had one. I can summarize it. Took me about. So I can comment say I have it figured out. Wait, $6,000 in losses? Is that what you're saying? Damn. I'm doing alright. I haven't done much trading lately. I'm still long on miners. Anything that you feel weird? To be fair, I feel like there's a lot of things that could be considered weird to ask people. Like, what's your favorite fruit? That's a weird question to ask people. No, that is true, Nanda. That is very, very true. I cannot wait for this coffee to clear your system completely. Why do you say that? I'm starting to have a double take on my chart colors. Boom's colors are growing on me. Maybe the brighter, the more you pay attention, you'll see. I don't know about that. Is that what you're starting to think? I mean, maybe if you have like ridiculous colors, you're gonna notice some ridiculous things. Kinda makes sense. It's not weird, but I like mango. Is mango a fruit? No, it is a fruit. Why did I think it wasn't a fruit? It's like how tomato is a fruit, which is weird. I think that is wild. The fact that tomato is a fruit, super weird. Go ahead and ask your weird goth question with your goth shirt on.